Hello guys, it's me again. Today I'm introducing to the micro USB that I bought from Gearbest. I bought it for Xioami micro USB, a black one, and you see it's about 1.5 meter, 1.5 meters long, the USB data cable and for charging the phone. I bought this in Gearbest and it costs about $3, but it's a nice cable. You see, nice material here. The USB, micro USB, you can see, just a quality one. It worth for the price. I recommend it to you all when you need a data cable. You see, just buy it and taste it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can buy it on the description that I give it.